I mean,
unforgettable
this
gift,
one.
MyHeritage DNA. Find true relatives and reveal your ethnic roots, layer by layer. Order today, now at the lowest price ever. Only on
Bought us the Family Dollar so she could go get some plates.
He's a NASCAR champion.
She bought us the Family Dollar so she could go get some plates for herself. She bought. Oh, sorry, guys. She went to Family Dollar so she could get some plates for herself.
It was really
So guys,
scary.
make this slime out of Suave Kids 2-in-1 install and put it in the freezer for 2 hours.
Xarelto to help keep me protected.
Xarelto is a latest generation blood thinner that's proven to treat and reduce the risk of DVT and PE blood clots from happening again. In clinical studies, almost 98% of patients on Xarelto did not experience another DVT or
Guys,
PE.
this is medium slime.
Xarelto works differently. Warfarin interferes with
I
at
don't
least 6
like
blood
to
clotting
make
factors.
like
Xarelto is selective, targeting just one critical factor, interacting with
No,
less of your
I'm
body's
thinking-
natural blood clotting function. Don't stop taking Xarelto without talking to your doctor, as this may increase risk of blood clots. While taking, you may bruise more easily or take longer for bleeding to stop. It may increase your risk of bleeding if you take certain medicines. Xarelto can cause serious and in rare cases fatal bleeding. Get help right away for unexpected bleeding, unusual bruising, or tingling. If you've had spinal anesthesia, watch for back pain or any nerve or muscle related signs or symptoms. Do not take Xarelto if you have an artificial heart valve or abnormal bleeding. Tell your doctor before all planned medical or dental procedures and before starting Xarelto about any conditions such as kidney, liver, or bleeding problems.
You've got to learn all you can.
To help protect yourself from DVT and PE blood clots, talk to your doctor about Xarelto. There's more to know.
Look in my YouTube description. I love Chemic Slime.
This holiday season, families near you need your help. Visit redcross.org now to donate.
This
Hold on,
is
guys,
an apple,
again.
and this is a distraction. But it will never change the fact that this is an apple.
This time of year is all about family.
And we'd like you to be a part of ours.
So our Chevy employee discount is now available to everyone.
You pay what we pay, and not a cent more.
It's our way of saying happy holidays.
And welcome to the family.
The Chevy family.
This holiday season, use your Chevy employee discount for everyone on most 2017 models, or choose this different offer. Current qualified competitive lessees can get this all-new 2018 Equinox for around $199 a month. See your local Chevy dealer.
I was born this way. Always misunderstood because I'm different. People assumed because I'm green, I'm wicked. I discovered that by using my brain, my courage, and my heart, one day even I could defy them all.
Button. Oh.
New Year's Eve Live with Anderson Cooper and Andy Cohen, only on CNN.
We're back with our correspondents and analysts and stunning video that speaks volumes about one of the president's judicial nominees, Jeffrey Toobin. Let me play this clip for you. This is one of the president's judicial nominees. He's presumably, if he's confirmed by the Senate, will have a lifetime position on the U.S. District Court here in Washington, D.C. He was questioned by Republican Senator John Kennedy during confirmation hearings before the Senate Judiciary Committee. Watch this.
You can just raise your hand on this one, if you will, to save a little time. Have any of you not tried a case to verdict in a courtroom? Mr. Pitch. Have you ever tried a jury trial? Civil?
No.
Criminal?
No.
Bench?
No.
State or federal court?
I have not.
Have you ever taken a deposition?
I was involved in taking depositions when I was associate at Wiley Ryan when I first came out of law school. But that was.
You ever? How many depositions?
I would. I'd be struggling to remember.
Less than 10?
Yes.
Less than 5?
Probably somewhere in that range.
Have you ever tried taking a deposition by yourself?
I believe no.
Okay. Have you ever argued a motion in state court?
I have not.
Have you ever argued a motion in federal court?
No.
Can you tell me what the Doe-Bear standard is?
Senator Kennedy, I don't have that readily at my disposal.
Do you know what a motion in limine is?
I would probably not be able to give you a good definition right here at the table.
Do you know what the Younger abstention doctrine is?
I've heard of
So
it,
like,
but
comment down below
again,
How about
if
the
you want to make
Pullman
slime,
abstention doctrine?
but you don't have to try
You're gonna
quickly,
see, you'll all see that a lot.
and you don't have
in
to write
federal
salt,
court.
or your parents won't let you, or you
Jeffrey's
can get caught every time.
I know, Dalbert.
You know the answer. I know you know the answers to all of it.
But you know what? Every second-year law student knows those answers. Just for those keeping score at home, Dalbert relates to expert witnesses. Motions limit evidence in advance of trial, and abstention relates to state versus federal law.